Good morning, it is day one of Chicago. Rachel is currently putting everything away. I have sorted out the desk for all of the video stuff so we can transfer files, but I just wanted to show you what Chicago looks like on a morning. So today our goals are what? We are apparently going to go to some skateboard shops, Rachel, because I definitely left space in my bag to take stuff home. I'll find a way to stuff stuff in, it's fine. America's Writers Museum. Ooh, it sounds like a Rachel thing for sure. The Chicago Theatre Tour Experience. I believe if we paid for that. So we bought this voucher before we got here, and it comes with like a bunch of experience. It cost us, I don't know how much, I'll figure it out and put it on screen somewhere. That's how much it cost us, and we broke down the cost of how many places you can go into, what it would cost without the voucher, just to see if it was worth it. And it seemed to be worth it because of all the things that we want to do. Some of it we're not that bothered about, but we'll do it because it's part of it. And I believe that the theatre tour experience is one of them. It looks like it's going to be a bit of a quiet day. Rachel is absolutely exhausted, hence why I'm the one doing the little intro for today. We're going to go get some breakfast, so we'll see you there.
We're at the bean.
Are we?
The bean.
We're already at the bean.
Is in front of us.
Alright, we're off to see the bean. Oh my god, I didn't know we were this close. So we've just ended up in Millennium Park because we were just walking to find some skate shops. And then, yeah, today's going to be a bit of a chill day for us because we're tired. Actually, I'm not tired at all. I think Rachel's woke up now, but the time difference has just been a bit wild. It's freezing. The sun is really, really nice, and the taxi driver was telling us how it's just been raining for most of the time, so it's nice that we've got a bit of sun, but let's go.
Let's go show you
Let's
the
go
bean.
flick the bean.
You can't say that.
Is that the bean?
I don't think that's the bean. It's too small to be a bean.
I mean,
It's big.
it's a pretty big bean, but I don't know if there's a way into it. There's the bean, because you can't actually get into the bean. So here's some posters of the bean. There you go, that's as close as we're getting, because apparently the bean is under construction or something. I have no idea. Well, hope you enjoyed the bean. There's the bean in all of its bean glory. And here's a huge, I don't even know what this is. Do you know what this is? It is certainly something. And then a big field with like, oh, that sun looks glorious. Look at that. Do you feel pretty cold right now?
Honestly, as soon as the sun hits you and the sort of wind goes away, you're quite chill.
Between the buildings is freezing though.
And you know what? The first thing that I've noticed so far is everybody told me Chicago is really clean, and I agree. It's really clean. You don't see garbage anywhere. You don't see litter on the streets. 10 out of 10.
Me looking for garbage. No, it does look pretty clean so far, but cool. Alright, so we've got a pretty view here, but we're at Leary Garden. Welcome. It's a free public garden open year round, space 350 plant species and as a place of rest for people and wildlife alike. That makes it sound like it's going to be absolutely gorgeous, but yeah, this is
There's a bird,
this
though.
is it. There's a bird. I can see the bird. Yeah. Is this meant to be the gardens, hun? Because
Maybe in there?
I think everything's dead.
Almost like we came here in the winter.
But this is meant to be open all year round and alive. I wonder what species this is.
The dead one.
The dead one. Hey, hun.
Hey, hon.
We're on the bridge.
We are on something Nichols Bridge, I think.
The Bridge of the Bean,
The Bridge of the Bean.
which is through the gap over there.
Oh, this is quite nice, you know.
It is. It is nice.
That's lovely. What a lovely
What a
waddle.
lovely waddle. I think we are going to go and try and find now the Writers Museum or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know where it is. We was meant to come here tomorrow, actually. That was on the list of things to do. But we realised that it's really close to the hotel and we ended up just walking by it anyway, so we thought we'd come see. The bean is shut off to the public, the plants are dead, the water fountain is off for maintenance. It's going well.
Yeah.
What do you think? I think they're obsessed with St. Patrick's.
Same.
So you've seen TK Maxx, but have you seen TJ Maxx? TJ Maxx? The logo is like pretty similar, it's just a J instead of a K, so, and they kind of do the same stuff, it's just empty. This is so empty. What is this space for? What is this? This literally is TK Maxx. They've got the exact same candles that we have. Are they similar prices? Yeah, they are. Well, actually, they're probably cheaper because $8 here is like £6, right? And our candles are about $10, $15, $20 sometimes. I wonder why they don't use the name TK Maxx and they use TJ Maxx.
Sure. But I'm pretty sure they're American. They're an American.
So strange. I wonder if K is the sister of J. I am perplexed. If you look at the amount of space behind us, there just seems to be nothing around. Why are we in a TK Maxx in Chicago on our first day?
Because it's fun.
It's curved and it's along the left-hand side.
That's hilarious. Do something else. That's brilliant here.
Move it away. Do it again. Wow, you're so stylish. Wow. Wow.
Alright, wave your arms around. Move further back. That is so weird. Come swap. You'll see what I'm seeing.
And notice how if I wink this eye, it shows the other eye. Look, instead of it's a true mirror. Did you get it?
Oh, colours are changing our perspective. Ooh, illusion, magic. Oh, wow. Does it work? Do I look like anything? Do I look like an idiot?
You do. Woohoo!
Whoa, that's cool.
You're having a good time.
Yes. You have to just walk to that side. Yeah, you look massive, and now walk to that side. Yeah, now you look tiny.
Split screen of me.
Yeah.
Bond villain lair. Hello, Rachel. Hello, Rachel.
Oh man, that's so weird.
Domination. Do you want to plot world domination?
Yeah. Oh.
Pictures, I want photos, I want it all.
We are in an infinity room.
Oh, this is sick.
That's cool. So what is one of us meant to like in there, lay down?
Yes, so you want to lay on your back with your legs inside.
Like laying grab this, and I'm like pulling you up. We'll come down here.
On there.
Yeah, or you could lay on the ground. Either way, pretty fun. Yes, perfect. Oh, that looks great, you guys. I'll do a side angle too.
Do you want to go down here? Said that you fell. Yeah.
Very nice, you two. That looks great. Oh, perfect. Oh, that's awesome.
That looks so funny. Oh, it smells good in here.
Who's freezing? You're freezing. I'm freezing. We're freezing. Go Chicago.
We decided just to come out for a little walk, and we've ended up on the Riverwalk. Honestly, we had a plan and a schedule of everything we wanted to do, and we haven't stuck to it at all. It's the first day, and we've done so much stuff that we didn't plan to do.
We didn't realize just how close everything was to each other because our hotel is so central that you're just walking and you just find things that we never were planning to find. So we ended up doing Museum of Illusions already, which we were only meant to do on like Wednesday or something, and it's Sunday right now. So, you know what's funny?
What's funny?
Americans are so loud. I've heard so much gossip.
Yeah, that's
Just
so
like,
true.
Just walking about, you hear so much gossip of people because they're just so loud.
That is so true.
You always make fun of me for being loud.
Yeah.
But when you compare me to Americans,
Very nice, you two. That looks great. Oh, perfect. Oh, that's awesome.
So. That over there is Navy Pier, where we will be going when?
in a couple vlogs, I don't know.
No, I don't know.
Look at that plane in between the.
Oh, look at this.
Look at that. That's a nice view.
That's cool, isn't it? This side of the lake, river, whatever you want to call it, is really calm and still. Looks really pretty.